Hey everyone, it's Dr. Alana, and thank you for joining me for this week's Nutrition Minute. What I want to talk to you about today is the difference between high quality oils and lower quality oils. So what kind of oils and fats do we want to be using in our cooking and when we're eating? The first one I'm going to talk about is butter. Butter has really gotten a bad rap, but it's actually in a lot of ways much better for you than margarine. Butter comes from animal fat, where margarine is kind of synthesized and produced in a lab out of vegetable fat. And our bodies were made to process fat and protein together, meaning coming from animal products. So that's why butter can actually be quite a bit better for us than margarine. Some of the other really good high quality oils that you can use includes avocado oil. Avocado oil is great for when you're cooking with really high temperatures. So if you're stir frying or grilling, something like that, avocado oil is stable at those higher temperatures, so it's an excellent choice to use. Extra virgin olive oil is another great oil that you can use. Now this one is not as stable at higher temperatures, so you don't want to use it if you're going to be cooking over really high heats, but it's a great option for salad dressings and if you're cooking in low heats, things like that. Some of the oils that you want to stay away from are things like canola oil or vegetable oil. Those are much harder for our bodies to process and use, and they can actually lead to a higher increase in like heart, blood pressure, triglycerides, those fatty acids in our body, kind of that nasty stuff, increasing your cholesterol, things like that your doctors usually tell you want to try to stay away from. So again, that's like the canola oil and vegetable oil. Those are the ones that you really want to stay away from. We're going to be putting together a bigger list of those healthy oils for you, so make sure you're checking out our website periodically, as we're always adding new things up there. Or if you have any other oils that you're curious about, wondering if you should use, go ahead and drop a comment or a question below. I'm happy to answer anything I can for you. And as always, thank you so much for letting me help you achieve a better you today.